It's your BFF, FRANKIE, Frankie. So, kakatapos ko na maligo. And it's 12:09 or 12:10 in the morning. And nabobort ako. And kaalis pa tayo mamaya. Pupunta tayong Intramuros. So, yeah. Samahan niyo ako. So, hi guys. It's currently, what time is it? 6:55 in the morning. So, yeah, I'm going to Intramuros right now. So, sasakay na lang kami ng jeep papuntang Quiapo. Then, sakay ulit ng another jeep pagdating sa Quiapo. So, yeah. Hope for the best. Good luck sa biyahe. Sana di maniligaw. Let's go. Nandito na po. We're riding the jeep na po. And punta na kami Intra. Ang hectic tong travel. It's already 8:29. It's almost 8:30. 1 minute before 8:30. And 1 hour na kami bumabiyahe. Actually, 2 hours na kami bumabiyahe. Since we left home at 6 AM. Yan. Pasilip kung sino yung kasama ko ngayon. Yan lang. Later na, sa mismong presentation, tayo papasilip kung sino yung kasama ko right now papuntang Intramuros. So yeah, punta na kami ng Intra. Malapit na kami. Let's go! Okay, so we're here na medyo malapit na. But kaya yan. Are we gonna walk or are we gonna ride the pedicab? What do you want? What do you want to do? Let's ride the pedicab na lang. Let's ride the pedicab. I think they're gonna charge us 30 pesos. 30.
20 ka alam, di ba?
No, it's 30. Tito outfit for today's video. Titong tito, bes. Pero go carry yan.
Kaya tatay na muna eh. Kumakain ako.
Amos soup.
Hospital?
Yes.
Magkano isa?
20. Oh my god. Yeah, no. Okay, based on the voice, you know who I'm with right now. Based sa hair, kilala nyo na siguro kung sino kasama ko. So we're riding a pedicab right now. So here's the driver.
Kunyari, gabi nagkaroon, naiwan namin yung isang bag.
Kay?
Naiwan natin yung isang ganyan, 2 ay 3 laman.
Sabihin natin kay.
May sir,
Bakit?
hindi niya lahat yun.
So let's go. Okay, minute. Should have wear dual shirt. Since mamaya tagaktak na naman ako ng pawis. So yeah, malapit na po tayo sa ating destination. We're gonna wait. So we're gonna start the convention later. I'm just gonna pack my things. Just gonna prepare everything that we need. So let's go. Mommy's so tardy. Mommy, you're so slow. You're so slow. Hurry up. Sa setup ko pa yung laptop. Setup ko pa tong laptop. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so good morning po everyone. So Andito po ulit kami sa inyong harapan upang mag-present po ng another DIY clubs po. Now po, sa mga naka-attend po last time, December 11, if I'm right, di ba ma? December 11 po, nagkaroon po tayo ng first livelihood po dito, kasama po kami, which is ang, nilisad po namin sa inyo is yung paggawa po ng wire bonsai plant po, or yung bonsai po nagawa po sa alambre. Now, ngayon po, nasa inyong harapan po kami ulit upang i-present po sa inyo ang isa pa po namin ginagawa lagi sa bahay na product. This next video, puro time-lapse na lang to. Since 32 minutes na to, pinaikli ko lang para magkasya sa YouTube frame. See, kailangan verified pa ako. Sorry guys. But in this clip, it will show how we demonstrated the procedures on making the plastic bag that is made out of straws or single-use straw. Well, basically, it's just the normal procedures that we are doing every time nagagawa kami ng ganitong kinds of products na maaari namin mabenta outside. So, from single-use plastic straws, kinat lang, then parang binind to each other. So, dire-diretso na siya. Magiging product na siya, magiging bag, magiging pouch, or some sorts of that, like that. Kaya na bahala umintindi. Pagod na ako eh. Since I'm bored sa hospital kanina, since mommy is still doing her seminar shit there, I plan to go on a walk. I'm going to the Manila Cathedral since I haven't gone there since di ako nakatin ng Marian procession dito sa Intramuros. Sayang, nandun pa naman yung patrona namin sa Pasig. Pero let's go. Lakarin na lang natin papuntang Manila Cathedral. Since it's just a short walk. Daw. Ayun ang sabi, short walk lang daw ang Manila Cathedral. Pero let's try. Ang daming bilihan here. There's so many stalls here for foods. I'm gonna rate the foods later since wala pa akong load. And yeah. Yung Gcash ko di ko ma-open. Sayang yung 5K. Gosh. Kaya, let's go. Pagod na ako, bibs. Oh, they have a Nazareno here. Let's go to the Manila Cathedral. Yay. Lakad ang gay. Let's go. We just arrived at the cathedral and damn, I'm having chills. I'm having chills walking around the cathedral. Yan na lang. And I think it's closed for some reasons. I don't know. But let's see. Oh, it's open. Really? Is it open? Oh no, it's not. It's not open right now. Oh. Well, not gonna lie, it's a great sight. It's a great sight to see. Really? How to get inside? How to get inside the cathedral? That's the question. How to get inside? They have their own reliquarium, oh. Ganda. So beautiful, not gonna lie. It's beautiful. Okay. We're gonna go inside the church right now. I'm having chills right now. Literally having chills. It's my first time going in this kind of cathedral. Naiyak ako. Why am I crying? Only a cathedral. Immaculate Conception. It's here. Damn, I'm having chills about this place. Is it okay to cry inside the church? Because I'm crying right now, literally. Wow, it's a great sight to see the Manila Cathedral, even though it's a little dark. Oh, morning singer. Not gonna lie, it's great. I think I'm about to cry, but I don't want to cry inside the cathedral. But not gonna lie, the architecture is great. Ganda. How much for the candles?
40 pesos.
40 pesos. Keep the change natin. So, they have a donation.
Sama po ito.
Okay.
Para saan po yung tela?
Sa inyo na po.
Oh, really? That's great. I bought some candles. So, let's go. Light up for candles. So, let's go. Great. For safety and good health. Good morning. Oh my gosh, I'm crying here like right now, like literally legitimately crying. I'm not making these things up. Since it's been a hard time for me to encounter such kind of things like this. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, to the Manila Cathedral is a long walk, but I promise you guys it's worth it.
What parking?
Legit. Actually, as a first timer in this kind of place, Intramuros, I actually enjoyed exploring. Actually, di ko pa na-explore buo, but we're gonna explore this later on after the seminar. Okay? After my mom's seminar, we're gonna explore the whole place. So, what happened in the Manila Cathedral na hindi ko na video? I bought some candles for 40 pesos. Then, meron siyang kasamang tela. Then, the cloth will be yours naman. Thank you, ate. So, I bought the candle for 40 pesos. Then, after buying it, it's a candle in a cup. Then, the cup is placed in... Below the cup is a cloth. So, the cloth is... Or the piece of cloth will be yours na. So, it's a great remembrance for a first timer. It's actually a second time, but first time in the Manila Cathedral. So basically, yeah, And it's about to rain. So I need to walk fast. Let's go. I'm gonna miss Intramuros so much. Baka mamaya malaman nyo lagi na ako nasa Intramuros. Wala eh, na-enjoy ko yung trip ko eh. So, yeah. Well, when it comes to people, the people here in Intramuros is very approachable, very hospitable. Well, ganyan naman tayo here in the Philippines, very hospitable, but when it comes to people here in Intramuros, they're very hospitable. They're very kind and approachable. I was really lost. I was almost lost here in Intramuros. But due to the people that I've asked for, I made my way to the Manila Cathedral. And they all have Nazarenos outside right now. So, it's almost the feast day of, I forgot, the Black Nazarene. I forgot, it's almost the feast day. So they're taking all their Nazarenos outside. I think Pasig will also do that. We'll also have a procession in Pasig. So that will be my fourth or third vlog. The Pasig Nazareno procession. Stuff like that. But for now, I'm just gonna explore here. Since I'm bored. I'm gonna explore the whole Intramuros grounds and stuff. We didn't avail the Calesa since I don't know where to avail that kinds of stuff. I really want to avail it. Like, oh my gosh. And also, I want to avail the bike ride, but mommy won't let me avail one. Since it's gonna be just a waste of money. Do you think it's wasting money? Wait. I'm still teary after going to church. I was planning to go to the confession booth, but the line is so long. Maybe a lot of people have sinned. So it's already... Hey, why is the time not shown? 10:52. So I've been outside the seminar for about 30 minutes. So, sorry. Sorry. I'm a little under the weather right now kasi. I look so cute. What the hell? They're selling Saint Benedict medallion. But I already have the Saint Benedict's medallion. I'm looking for the Saint Francis cross or the Taise cross. And also the Exorcist cross or 12 Apostles cross. Para kompleto na yung crucifix ko sa bahay. Maghahanap tayo, i-request natin kay Mother yun. Ayun na yung pa-New Year niya sa atin or pamasko niya sa atin since wala siyang pamasko sa atin. Di na ako nanghingi ng pera eh. Cross na lang eh. Papa-bless ko na lang siya sa... Bet ko sana ipa-bless siya sa Manila Cathedral since we're here. But... never mind. We're gonna... make it blessed here in... Pasig na lang. In our church in Pasig. So yeah, let's go. Guys, bumili ko postcard. Holy Family. Ewan ko bakit ako napabili. Pero, ang ganda niya kasi. And also, I'm here at the antique store. So, or more on exhibit. I'm on an exhibit here. So, it's a great exhibit since...
I know it's sustainable, but...
it has many kinds of stuff. It's literally antique.
In-orderan namin.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. It's all antique. Oh my gosh. That's a great thing. See? It's all antique. As you can see here, it's all antique, so it's a great sight to see. Especially like me na mahilig sa mga antique stuff. And actually, they're selling it. They have chess. They have chess. Ano pa bang meron sa kanila? Oh my God, ang dami. Ang dami nilang binibentang stuff dito. But we're gonna go somewhere else. Maris pa tayo, bes. Dito ako nagka-interest sa religious altars nila. As a camarero myself. Huy, future camarero pa lang tayo, be. Here, no, they have the Station of the Cross. 600,000. But it's the complete set of the Station of the Cross. That's great. Ang dami nilang binibentang stuff dito na mostly antique. As in lahat antique. Which is ang ganda. Ang cute. Now we're gonna go find some more things. Hindi muna tayo bibili, bes. Huwag tayong gastador, okay? Kaya tayo pinapagalitan ng mother natin kasi masyado tayong gastador. So, pauwi na kami. Kumain na kami ng mga inasal. Then, iba-voice over ko na lang for yung magiging rating ko. Pagkain ng mga inasal. Since, dito na nabeta yung mga inasal. And yeah, let's go. Tignan mo ang mother. Borlog na itis. Borlog ka na, ha? Pagoda ang gay. Oh wait, OA kanina. Uy da, sakit-sakit daw siya. Pagoda ang gay, pagoda ang Muji. Mag-hi ka nga. Mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko, mama. Pangit, saka. Bebe, so ka. Tingin nyo ako, mag-edit na ako. Oo na. Bye! O diba, inaantok pa ang gay. So, gagawin, nasa palengke na tayo. Palengke na kami. Naantok pa ako. And yes, lalakad tayo pa uwi. Sakay na tayo.
Tingin na ang dryer.
O tara, tingin tayo dryer. Saan ba? Nobo. Red Apple. Titingin muna kaming dryer. Para may dryer na kami. Diyos ko, ang hirap maglaban ng walang dryer. Okay. Okay, let's go. Gora, titingin tayo ng dryer. Ito kaming Nobo, tingin kaming dryer. Dahil wala. Pasok na rin ako. Wait lang, tinawala sa deposit yung bag. So, i-edit ko na lang yung video para isang lagapakan na lang ta. Kapagod din. Kung alam nyo lang, naghirapan ko kanina kaka-explain sa mga tao doon. Coffee is really well deserved ngayon. Since pagod na pagod ako. Gagora pa tayo kay Dars. Kay Chismis. So this is gonna be the end of our vlog.
Shout out! Okay na lang.
Once again, this is your BFF, FRANKIE, Frankie. Bye-bye.